What is the one word for the visual perception of a region? The correct answer is panorama. What is the one word for pose a series of questions to? The correct answer is interrogate. What is the one word for based on or subject to individual discretion or preference? The correct answer is arbitrary. What is the one word for tiresomely long, seemingly without end? The correct answer is interminable. What is the one word for give in, as to overwhelming force, influence, or pressure? The correct answer is succumb. What is the one word for close in time, about to occur? The correct answer is imminent. What is the one word for be earlier in time? The correct answer is precede. What is the one word for a span of 1,000 years? The correct answer is millennium. What is the one word for fraught with extreme danger, nearly hopeless? The correct answer is dire. What is the one word for a sudden and decisive change of government by force? The correct answer is coup. What is the one word for softly bright or radiant? The correct answer is luminous. What is the one word for any obstruction that impedes or is burdensome? The correct answer is hindrance. What is the one word for impairment of normal physiological function? The correct answer is malady. What is the one word for yielding readily to or capable of undergoing a process? The correct answer is susceptible. What is the one word for intended to attract notice and impress others? The correct answer is ostentatious. What is the one word for a feeling of evil to come? The correct answer is foreboding. What is the one word for put in effect? The correct answer is execute. What is the one word for give a description of? The correct answer is depict. What is the one word for shrewdness as demonstrated by being skilled in deception? The correct answer is guile. What is the one word for disagreement among those expected to cooperate? The correct answer is dissension.